If you need to request a refund from Deliveroo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app or website. Access the Deliveroo app on your mobile device or visit the Deliveroo website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your orders. Navigate to the orders section in the app or website. Here, you will find a list of your recent orders. Select the order for which you want to request a refund. Step 3. Report an issue. Once you have selected the order, look for an option that says Report an issue or Help with this order. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Choose the refund reason. You will be prompted to select a reason for your refund request. Options may include issues like missing items, incorrect orders, or food quality problems. Choose the most appropriate reason. Step 5. Submit your request. After selecting the reason, follow the prompts to submit your refund request. You may need to provide additional details or upload any relevant photos. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation of your request. After following these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time, consider reaching out to Deliveroo's customer service for further assistance.